और अब आपको सीधा राज्यसभा लिए चलते हैं। कपिल सिब्बल इस समय बोल रहे हैं।
Chief again said, at the moment we are very badly off. I'm not saying this. At the moment we are very badly off in terms of numbers. And the numbers that have been promised are also coming in very slow time, making a case for boosting production rate of fighters. He said that an in-house study conducted by IAF showed that it must induct 2 fighter squadrons every year to cater to the numbers needed. The existing have fleets which will be phased out. Now, what is that existing fleet that is being phased out? Your MiG-21 being phased out. Your MiG-29 being phased out. Your 2,000 Mirages being phased out. So what are you left with? Su-30 MKI. Su-30 MKI is what you're left with. And the Rafale aircraft is a 4.5 generation aircraft. Yes. The fact is that China is now going to launch a 6th generation aircraft just now in 2025. We are looking for a 5th generation aircraft in 2035. Because the AMCA aircraft will be ready. Prototype in 2028 will be in production in 2035. What will we do by then? And this, I'm not saying this. If you are so much concerned about the defense of our country, what have you done in the last 11 years while you were sitting in power? You must answer that. There is no point blaming each other कि वो तो सवाल पूछेंगे और आप कहेंगे हम नहीं बताएंगे. ये तो आपकी राजनीति है. This is your राजनीति. दूसरी बात, एक और बात बताता हूं. HAL ने LCA एयरक्राफ्ट का गठन सोचा था 1984 में. 2001 में अभी तक जहाज तक बना नहीं और 2025 हो गए, एक जहाज नहीं आज तक बना. एक जहाज नहीं जो हमने कंसेप्चुअलाइज किया था 1984 में. आप क्या कर रहे हो? Yes. दूसरी बात, तीसरी बात आपको बताना चाहता हूं, वो ये है कि पाकिस्तान के पास, हमारे पास तो ये 31 स्क्वाड्रन फेजिंग आउट के बाद 29 रह जाएंगे.